Hey guys, welcome back to a quick video with strategy content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And in today's video, I just want to talk about a new service that Shelly and I will be bringing to you. Now again, you don't see her in this video because she is out handling business. But if you don't know, we are Flash Custom Transfers and we offer an array of products and print services for your business. Also for you personally, for all you crafters out there. But if you don't know, we offer DTF transfers, we offer UVDTF gang sheets in very large sizes. We offer print on demand services. We can make your apparel for all you businesses out there, uniforms. We also source and make specific apparel, jackets, uniforms, police uniforms, EMS. We do all that as well. We also make hats, embroidered hats, DTF hats. We have all different types of products out there. We also have a new product, which we actually haven't shown you guys yet, which is, it's like a leather patch and you can print on that. We have that process available as well. If you have any questions, just email us. But this video, this quick video, is just about the services that we will be offering moving forward, specifically pertaining to coaching. So a lot of people you see online, they're selling courses, they're doing all these things to try to get you to purchase something that's not actually a tangible product, right? This right here, this is a tangible product. You purchase it, I mail it to you. With purchasing a guide to, I fixed my mic, with purchasing a guide to say, teach you how to sell on Etsy, or with purchasing a book or an e-course on, say, how to sell on demand, right? These are general things and 99% of them are written up by ChatGPT. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm just gonna be straight honest. 99% of these book courses and everything that you see online, that's the reason why there's been such a hike, because everybody can sell a course now. You create the visual on Canva and Photoshop, and you create the visual there, and then you get the words from ChatGPT or any chat AI software, and you combine them, and that is how you make these courses, right? It's extremely easy to do. That's not what we want to offer. A lot of people ask us questions, and in fact, off camera, Shelly did not film this. Shelly had a friend of hers who will remain nameless. Shout out to you though. She is about to start a custom apparel business herself, and she came to our home for a coaching. Now, have we done this in the past for a lot of people? Yes. We've done this in the past for a lot of people because I guess certain people, or I guess people just don't have time to necessarily come and watch videos. Some people just learn differently. So some people can watch all of our content, go out and do it. Mr. Woods is a perfect example of that. He went from starting out with transfers with us back when we first started to now he has a brick and mortar store. And this is actually an older gentleman. This isn't some like 22-year-old kid. So shout out to him. So you have people like that who can learn like that, or you have people who need individual learning lessons. And that's what we are going to be doing moving forward. Shelly and I will be offering coaching segments where it's just us and you, or her and you, or me and you on camera to help you answer your questions for that specific amount of time. Now, again, will we be accepting everybody? No, we won't, because we are not going to just do anything for money. So there will obviously be a price associated with our time, but we will be vetting who we give that time to. So it's not based off of, oh, if you pay me $500, I'll listen to you. And, when we get on a Zoom call, you're in your car, right? If I'm not, unfortunately, we just don't have the time for that. If you're in your car, whenever we Zoom call you, I'm gonna immediately end the video. Immediately end the video. And there will be a contract like, listen, hey, everything that's discussed in this video does not guarantee sales and stuff like that. But for the serious people out there, the people who want to take this serious, if you really need real coaching, like you need somebody like my wife did, when she sat down with her friend and specifically told her exactly, hey, this is what you do. You got to watch out for this. You got to watch out for that. Your state has state taxes, right? So if you're in New York or California, you're gonna have state tax. Versus here in Texas, you don't, right? So there's different things that you got to watch out for. There's just a lot of aspects that you gotta watch out for. A lot of people don't tell you that if your credit is bad, no matter how much money your business makes, you're not gonna get a business loan, period, point blank period, because there has to be a guarantor for that loan. Banks just don't give. You can make $50 billion. I mean, obviously, if you make $50 billion, you might get a loan if you have a poor credit score. But I'm just saying, people think that, I can show on paper that I have $50,000 in sales, and they're thinking that they're going to go get a loan against their sales. Yeah, no, it doesn't work like that. The bank is going to be like, why would I give you a loan when your specific personal credit is 400? Doesn't make any sense. These are things that we would teach you if you have these questions. So remember, we will be moving forward with individual coaching. You can email us right now if you want to inquire at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Email us and we will get back to you, but please email us with your plan. A lot of people ask us many questions and we've been answering them for free, but a lot of people ask us questions without watching any video. So even on our videos, they'll ask questions and it's like, we can immediately tell this person did not do their research. And then I'm gonna end this video with this. Shelly told her, she said, now look, I am going to help you. And I just took time out of my day to help you. I'm going to see if you, from here on out, if you actually apply what I told you. This won't be happening again, right? This won't be happening again. And again, she respected it, and you have to respect people's times. You have to respect professionals' times, right? So if you want a personal training session for, say you're exercising, some people might just take your money and just let you, walk in with a cheeseburger and stuff like that. But there's a lot of people out there, and in fact, I know somebody personally, shout out to Trey, he's not gonna train you if you're gonna sit there and waste his time. If you're gonna come in, he's trained you for a week and you're BSing after the training session, you smell like alcohol whenever you come in, he's gonna end it because he doesn't have time to train people who don't want to actually work at it. So I know this is it's kind of stern, it's called tough love, but again, we are here to always, our business model is to put this product in your hand so that you can make money with it. We know how to do it because we do it and we want to teach you how to do it. So if you think that you are ready to be coached, email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. We will get with you. Please give us your business plan in the email, write it all out, and we're going to see how serious you are. Let us know if you have any sales. Let us know your information. If there's anything else that you think that you need to share with us, let us know. Make sure it's all written out very well, right? Let us know your social media platforms so that we can vet you out, because we're looking to work with other small brands and bring them up, especially if we're bringing them up with this product. That's what we're looking to do, guys. So that's what this video is about. Coaching, email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com.